This the opening?
Troy guy, man. Make sure I subscribe or he's a broke bitch, man.
Hopping that whip, we get so rolling. Ayy, bitch, you ain't gang, don't even know him. For the 808 sitting, I'm finna go in. How to run up the bell, like where you going? Hopping the whip, we get so rolling. Ayy, bitch, you ain't gang, don't even know him. For the 808 sitting, I'm finna go in. How to run up the bell, like where you going?
What's going on, YouTube? It's me, G0D, it's your boy Trey God, and welcome back to the channel. And today, we're reacting to the Chainsaw Man main trailer, bro. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this show, bro. This show is going to break the internet. When you see this show and you see some of the shit that happens, you're gonna lose your fucking mind, bro. I'm here before it gets overrated. I'm here before niggas start calling it overrated, say the animation carries it, all this other bullshit. And niggas just like to nitpick about niggas just like to hate, bro. That's just what I figured out. Niggas just be hating. But you can't hate on Chainsaw Man. You can't hate on my nigga Denji. You see my nigga Denji? Like, the nigga look clean, bro. There's no way you can hate on that nigga. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We do shit like this all the time. All kind of anime reactions. And yeah, join the God gang. And shout out to all the comments. I love y'all. We gotta see what my man Chainsaw Man talking about, man. Let's get straight into the video, man. Big Denji, big power. Bro. Power's that bitch. This nigga's cold. This nigga is cold. Oh my god, that nigga is... This nigga right here, this nigga's tough as hell. I'm not trying to spoil anything because I've read a little bit of the manga. Probably read like, I say I'm around like 30-ish chapters in. Probably about to be on 40. But this nigga, bro, I ain't even got a huge sample size. But this nigga's nasty. And like, he ain't even did nothing crazy yet for me. Like, oh, she looks so clean. Hold on. Oh, you see my nigga Aki? Hold on. You see my nigga Aki? Look at this nigga Aki, bro. What the motherfucking sword? That nigga Aki cold as fuck, bro. They made him look clean, bro. Who made this? Mappa? Mappa in y'all bag. Fuck that bitch. Young power. Motherfucking that bitch. Oh shit, hey, little. Seeing him in Pooch's kind of lit. This the opening? Oh my god. Nigga, this anime looks crazy. Nigga, this animation's crazy. I can't even, like, I'm trying to focus on the music and this shit is insane. This shit's crazy. I just need to run it back. I just gotta run it back real quick. This shit is crazy. Oh, look at him running and shit. Oh my god, they ain't even gonna show us like the crazy shit. And I'm already like, that shit was hard. Was she? The bat nigga. Oh my god, there's so much going on right now. Oh my god, the hug. I peeped that. Oh. Nigga, this anime is gonna go crazy, bro. This anime is gonna go crazy. And you niggas better hop on the wave right fucking now. Cause I'm telling you, bro, it's taking over the anime streets, bro. Those first 3 episodes, first one. Come on, man. This anime is gonna take the world by storm, bro. I promise you. And that opening has sounded crazy. This shit's gonna be crazy, man. I'm hype as fuck. And best believe we're reacting to the show too. Like we are for surely reacting to this show. Like the whole shit. They better not fuck this up. They better not fuck this up. But from what I've seen, I don't think they will. I don't think they will. Like, if you just follow the manga, because it's paced beautifully, you can't fail, bro. There's no way you can fail. There's no way you can fuck this up. That's all I really gotta say, bro. Just don't fuck this up, Mappa. I trust you. I trust you, Mappa. You niggas ain't finished AOT, but like, I still trust you, Mappa. Okay, so I know you just seen me react to Chainsaw Man, and it's a whole different day. We're gonna react to more anime trailers. I feel like October is gonna be a really special month for anime. They just dropped the Mob Psycho trailer on the day I'm recording this. I also dropped the Blue Lock trailer I want to watch, and I had never seen any of the Bleach ones, so we're gonna watch those also. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, you know, hit subscribe. I mean, you should still be watching the video because it's a continuation, but you know, it's a new video for me, so you know, if you're new, subscribe. Let's get straight into it. I am literally on the last episode, just ready for this show, bro. This show, top 5 new gen, bro. I don't know why this doesn't get discussed in like the new gen anime, but it should get discussed. I mean, I feel like it does, but like, I feel like they don't bring it up as much as they should, because the show is amazing. My God. WB? You finna be in multiverses? Hey, Mob in multiverses is lit. Okay, Mob, you get shoot your shot, Mob. My nigga Mob! What is happening? Oh my God. Oh my God, this is really loud. Nigga! Is that broccoli? Nigga! I fuck with him, nigga with the blonde hair. I do not remember his name. Damn. This shit going crazy in the background too. Like, is this the opening? Oh yeah. Oh, they opened the snap. Oh my God, this is gonna be crazy. This shit's gonna be insane. Hold on, run this back. I know you saw that. There ain't no way. Oh my God, bro. Him going like in that, I call it demon mode. Mob in demon mode. You been in money over bitches mode. That shit look crazy, bro. Y'all need some.
One and only one.
Sayonara, Mob.
Oh, bro, tomorrow, man, man, expect the reaction, bro. The next trailer we have is Blue Lock. I'm really excited for this anime, bro. I fuck with sports animes. Sports animes always give me like a little feel-good type vibe, but I really think this is gonna be a little different change of pace from like the togetherness and teamwork type sports, you know, sport anime. I don't even know when it comes out. I know it comes out this month, but like what day? Cause this shit look heat, bro. And I like the animation too, like the design of them. Oh, what the fuck? Why would... Oh, okay, yeah. See, anytime you see that smile, he on bullshit. Ooh. Hold on. I just gotta look at the room. This nigga gonna be cold. This nigga gonna be cold. Anybody with white hair up here, Not yet. Not yet. This nigga might be on some shit. No, all these niggas on time, and I ain't gonna cap. This nigga, probably not. But all these other niggas, they look like they on time. They look like they're on time.
いつか日本代表のエースストライカーになってワールドカップ優勝するっていう俺のアホみたいな夢が。おめでとう、才能の原石どもよ。脱落した者は一生日本代表になる。
Oh, I saw the white hair. I saw the nigga with the white hair. Hold on, I gotta pause it. He looks insane. That nigga's, this nigga's finna be gold. Nope, I can already tell. White, blonde hair, motherfucking gold eyes. This nigga's eyes are like, nigga. He's nasty. He's nasty. I could already tell. All the niggas, this anime gonna go fucking crazy.
それがストライカーだろ。生まれ変わるのは今だ。絶対生き残るぞチーム Z。 ピッチの上ではお前が主役だ。世界一のエゴイストでなければ世界一のストライカーにはなれない。こんなとこで終わりたくない。これは今までのサッカーアニメではない。
This isn't just a regular soccer anime. Bro, I like the change of pace, bro. This looks like it's going. Hey, bro. I feel like might be crazy. Might be crazy. Might be the best anime of the month. Hey, man. It might be better than everything else coming out, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And I know this. October 8th. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, bro. Sleeper for anime of the month, bro. I ain't gonna cap to you. Not even a sleeper. And the last trailer we had. Hey, bitch, I ain't tell you to start. Last trailer. But not least, we got Bleach. 1,000-Year Blood War. I gotta catch up, so I can't even watch this shit for real. But you know, I wanna see what they're talking about. I wanna see how it looks and the newer. You feel me? I know I didn't say anything, but you know, you know what I mean. You know what I mean.
カラクラ町ってフォローの出現率も高いって聞くし、こんなところに来るのが僕みたいなのでいいのかなって。
What is that?
こんなの相手になんて。あなたは黒崎一郎。死神対抗だ。
Substitute Soul Reaper, nigga. Hey, the music in the background.
気をつけろ。今回の相手は。
Yeah, damn, here's some biddies on it.
これより生きるか死ぬか大選抜大会を開催いたします。
お前それクイーンシーの
見覚えがあったか黒崎一護。
今起きていることは全て一つにつながってる。
This should look. Hey, my nigga Gucci bucket hat.
あんたは全部知ってるんだな。
お前には関係のないことだ。全隊長に命ず。これより戦の準備にかかれ。
Oh fuck.
これよりシュテルンビッターがお前たち。
Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, when that nigga look clean. I don't even know who that is. I wasn't ready to hear a song. I wasn't ready to hear all these openings. Oh, you're crazy. But
必ずイチゴが来てくれる。
死なせねえ。みんな死なせねえぞ。俺が守るんだよ。
oh my god. It's a... Oh my goodness. Oh my, yo, it's all coming. It's literally all coming out so fucking soon, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. I am so excited, bro. October. You niggas are wildin'. You niggas are wildin' in October, ain't it? God damn. I'm hyped as hell, bro. If you have any other anime trailers you want me to check out, you know, leave it in the comments below, man. Alright, y'all. That was the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed, you know. If there's any other anime trailers you want me to check out or any reaction requests at all, leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, appreciate y'all for watching, man. I really love all y'all, man. And yeah, this video check out, and I am gone. I'm out of here. Peace. See ya.